So I'm going to show you how to install this pure filter. I already installed it, you know, because I didn't know what I was doing. So now I'll show you how. So the components, so this is what it looks like. And inside you have a filter. Inside there's a filter. So here's the filter. Just pull that up. So this comes with it. I bought a set for, you know, just in case, but one comes with the package. So you get the filter, the mount. Here's the cover. So and then you just place this back in. Actually, when you put the top on, turn the top. You hear that clicking sound. So I got it back on. Alright. So now put the aerator back on. So it's the regular one. As you can see, you can't pull it. You can't, you know, do it by hand. I saw a gentleman use one of those forks like you use for barbecue with the 2 prongs, and he was able to undo it. But I just did it, you know, I tried it. It was complicated. So I ordered this as a Vandal key. So it's for if you have an aerator like this. So you just line up the width of these notches under here and then just turn. So you can see the notches. So it says this is. So as you can see, it just spins. Gotta line it up again. So as you can see, it's lined up right there. There, it's off. And now putting on this adapter. Had it upside down. So usually I do things backwards before I find out. Doing it with one hand, filming and putting this on. Alright, there we go. So got that on. Have the adapter on. And now for the pure filter. Very simple. So I'm gonna show you. So the white notches, so those notches right there is to release it. So here you go. Snap it, push up. Let's turn. So you can turn it either way. Alright, so it's on there, pulling it. This is to change it from your regular top to your, horizontal is your regular top, so right there, and vertical is your filter. And you can see the green light, that means it's being activated, that your water is being filtered. So there you go. But also I'm going to show you now, I'm going to do a pH test to show you the difference, to see if this is really true, if it really works. So I'm going to set up some water from tap. I'm going to put it on cold. So I'm going to put one for tap. This is the filter. This is the unfiltered. So, filtered and unfiltered. Filtered and unfiltered. So there's the 2 cups. Wow. I marked them from before. Just in my own little project I was doing. So, there we go. That's filtered water. Let's do it over because I forgot already. I don't know. Okay, so this is filtered. So this is the filtered. It's filtered cold water. Alright. This is unfiltered cold water. So when I do the pH test, you'll see the levels. So if it's one, it'll show out. One will be alkaline, one will be acidic. The one alkaline is gonna be more of a blue color. Alkaline is gonna be like a yellow, gold, or something like that. That means your water is acidic. It has, chemicals in there. Of course, there are in our water that metals and gets into our water lines, and drugs and things being flushed down in our sewer system. So not everything is getting treated at our public works water department that treats the water. So you have things like this, and you have under the sink filter system too. So those are a little more, but probably might be more, depending on your preference. So you have under the sink filter, and you have these. I changed my shower head in my bathroom where I shower. So in my sink, I use the shower head for, brushing my teeth. So if you know any, when you shower, the hot water and your pores open, those chemicals that's still in the water system can absorb through your skin. Same thing, brushing your teeth. Of course, over time, you ingest these metals and things that get left over. All right, so I'll be back with the pH test. Okay, here we go. So this is the filtered. The first one is filtered, 3 drops. On here it says 3 drops. If you have pets and you aquatic or semi-aquatic, this is the solution kit. So 3 drops. That's the filtered. Unfiltered. So I gotta put the top on, shake it a few seconds. Again, this one is the filtered, the blue. That's filtered. And this one is the unfiltered. So I remember I said it was going to be a yellowish color, but it's more like a, I don't know, blue-greenish. What color would this be? Not like a teal, but like a teal green, I guess. So now I have the chart. Here's the chart. So here we go to the pH. And we'll compare the colors. So the first row is the first column. That's for pH, regular pH. That's for high range. Again, this is for fresh water. If you have, I have a turtle, so I'm using the kit to test the water, which I use for my tank. I use, like I said, I use the, I have a carbon filter for my shower head, so I run the shower head and fill up my bucket with that water for my turtle tank. So if you look, we're at a 7.6. So it matches probably even higher than that. The pH is probably even higher. That's a 7.6. For this one, what, a 6.6? Probably 6.6, 6.8. 6.6, 6.8. So it tells you that it does something. It is the filter does do something. So there you have it. So I just wanted to show proof and see what the difference was, if it worked, if we're buying stuff that just sounds good but it actually shows something. And I think pH is, I'm still not ready to drink from it with the filtered, but I'll do my vegetables and when I cook, I'll put it on the vertical for the filtered water. So I hope this was helpful. Again, this was the Pure Filter water faucet mount. So have a good day.